Hi there, this is Tracy Bowman. Long time no see. I've been doing show after show after show and then working in a gallery, so I've been busy and don't always get a chance to paint, but I did this round canvas and I love it. I love it. I really love it. It's really kind of fun. It really moves. I like it a lot. So I want to make a new one. And I forget the size of this one, but I have a new one started already, and let's check it out. So this is a 16-inch round, so that's what that other one is as well. And I'm got my canvas already prepped and ready, and I have my colors, which is Peacock Pearl, which is this color. I have Ice Blue. Both of those are by Deco Art. This is Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. I have Enchanted White and Enchanted Gold. The other one did not have gold in it, so I'm going to do that. And I have a little bit of Deco Art Deep Sapphire. They're all metallic colors. And I'm going to pour my puddles on it. I'm going to tilt it. I'm going to blow it and see what we get. All right, so I want this to be my primary color. Okay. And then my sapphire blue. I told myself I was going to wear gloves, but then I didn't. And some Enchanted White. Oop, that was a glob in that. A glob of something just went through there. I don't know what. Let's see if I can find it. I think I see it. Oh yeah, that was a glob, all right. We don't want that in there. Okay, I think I'm going to put a little of this deep sapphire in a few places. That's just a little bit. And then, oops, and this is Enchanted Gold. I just want a bit of a shimmer, gold shimmer through it. And I probably won't see it until it's dry. So, all right. So now we're going to tilt it tilt it out. You can hear my husband and his friend in the other room. Let's bring it back. We'll take it to the other side. And bring it back. Let's bring it that way. Bring it a little bit that way. Bringing it back. You don't have to paint the whole canvas. I just did the edge and I ended up using a lot of paint, so I just got the whole canvas done. But I just wanted to make sure that the edges were done so it would just help later. And I'm just going to do a little bit of that, a tiny bit of that, tiny bit of that, I think this is the gold, and a tiny bit of that, just because. All right, now I have my little hair dryer and I'm just gonna blow it out. My nozzle's falling off. I might have to tape that baby on there. I'm not getting over the edge. too much blue up here. I want to dull down that blue a little bit. I want more of the teal color. Wow, I like it. So when I blew, I did blow a little, not just straight across, just so they would blend together. And I can see a little bit of the sapphire in there. That looks great. And the enchanted gold really won't show up. Look at that, there was a drop. I want to, maybe I could draw, let me see what I can do with that. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, I didn't like that. All right, now I'm happy. I like it a lot. I like it a real lot. Let's make sure we torch. I did mix up my colors ahead of time and let them sit. And let me check for the sides, see how all my sides look. It feels like it all went over the edge back there. I gotta move my colors so I can see. See if I can see. Oh yeah, I got good coverage back there. I'm happy. I'm happy with this one a lot. I will have to wait and show you the dried results. Oh, I can see some of the gold showing up already. I did a little test piece on the side here where I had some paint on the side and I put a little of the enchanted gold on it and I showed my daughter. She says it looks like the sun had kissed it. So I'm hoping that that's exactly what happens in this piece. All right, let me bring you down so you can see better. Okay, so here's the piece all done, but it isn't dried yet. But it really has a real lot of movement. You can really see like some swells in the ocean, right? The ocean swells, yes. I really, really like how that came out. I'm very happy with it. This is a girl from Cape Cod. Telling you, it looks like the ocean swells. I think that might have to be its name. You'll have to give me some ideas what you think. Do you like that name? Let me know. So I mixed my colors and I have to show you, where'd it go? I want to show you my pouring medium. Okay, so here is my pouring medium. It is Endless Possibilities Gloss Pouring Medium, and it's done by Ronda Thomison. Okay, it is a great pouring medium, and it actually says on here, can be used for Dutch pours, dustpan pours, a flip cup, strained pours, wandering straight pours. You can make jewelry skins. It is really a great, great pouring medium. So I suggest it for anyone. It's easy to use. I just pour it in my little cups. I put in my paint color, stir it up, and let it sit for a bit, and it's ready to use. There's no craziness. You don't have to worry about anything else. There will be a link or an email address for this medium in my description. So be sure to check that out. Hi there. So here's that painting. And interestingly enough, the Enchanted turned more like a silver. It's very shimmery, which I like the shimmer, but I did want more contrast. As you can see, it's got that shimmer, which is awesome, but there's not as much white in the painting as I'd like. So know that the Enchanted white isn't really white. It's got that silvery shimmer, which is awesome. So I think I will still use it, but I'm going to add some titanium white with it, just so I have more contrast. I still love the painting. Let me know what you think of the dried results. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye now.